Fabbrica d'Armi Pietro Beretta is a privately held Italian firearms manufacturing company operating in several countries. Its firearms are used worldwide for a variety of civilian, law enforcement, and military purposes. Sporting arms account for 3/4 of sales. Beretta is also known for marketing shooting clothes and accessories. Founded in the 16th century, Beretta is the oldest active manufacturer of firearm components in the world. In 1526, its inaugural product was arquebus barrels. By all accounts, Beretta-made barrels equipped the Venetian fleet at the Battle of Lepanto in 1571. Beretta has supplied weapons for every major European war since 1650. Val Trompia, a northern Italian river valley in the province of Brescia, Lombardy, has been mined for iron ore since the time of the Roman Empire. In the Middle Ages, Val Trompia was known for its ironworks. After the Renaissance, it came to be a center for the manufacture of weapons. By the mid-16th century, Val Trompia had 40 ironworks, supplied by 50 mines and 8 smelters. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.